The Toyota Corolla is getting a serious glow up. And honestly, this might be the first Corolla in years that people actually stop and stare at. Because yeah, it's still a Corolla, but just look at this thing. Clean, futuristic, sleek, way more premium looking. And unlike a lot of compact sedans that either look boring or try way too hard, the 2027 Corolla looks like Toyota finally said, okay, let's make the everyday car look expensive. And honestly, they might have nailed it. Up front, you get this super smooth nose with razor-thin LED headlights, a low, wide grille area, and a very futuristic Toyota design that almost gives off mini Prius, Crown, and Camry vibes all at once. It doesn't look angry for no reason. It looks smart, like the kind of car that gets 45 miles per gallon, never brakes, and still pulls up looking like it belongs in 2030. From the side, this is where the new Corolla really starts to feel different. The roofline is smoother, the body looks longer and more aerodynamic, and the black roof gives it this cleaner, more upscale look. It almost feels less like a basic compact sedan and more like a baby luxury hybrid. And that's the crazy part. The Corolla has always been the safe choice. Reliable, affordable, easy to own, easy to recommend. But this new one actually looks like something younger buyers might want, not just something their parents tell them to buy. Then around the back, Toyota really cleaned things up. That full-width LED taillight makes the rear look way more modern, and the simple Corolla badging gives it a clean, futuristic look. No giant fake exhausts, no weird extra vents, no unnecessary drama, just a smooth, sharp design that actually fits the car. And honestly, that's what makes this work. Toyota didn't try to turn the Corolla into a fake sports car. They made it look like a smarter, cleaner, more premium daily driver. Now, Toyota hasn't revealed every detail yet, but the 2027 Corolla is expected to keep that practical personality people already love, while likely pushing harder into hybrid technology, better fuel economy, more advanced safety features, and a more modern interior. And if Toyota gives this thing a plug-in hybrid option, that could be huge. Because imagine a Corolla that looks this futuristic, gets amazing gas mileage, has Toyota reliability, and still costs way less than most new cars on the road. That's the kind of car people actually buy. Because the Corolla doesn't need to be wild. It needs to be the car that makes sense. But now, it might actually make sense and look good doing it. And if Toyota prices this correctly, the Honda Civic, Hyundai Elantra, Mazda 3, Kia K4, and even some entry-level hybrid sedans might have a real problem. Because the Corolla already has the reputation. It already has the trust. Now, it might finally have the design to match. Honestly, the 2027 Toyota Corolla could be one of the biggest everyday car glow-ups of the decade.